Canberra is where we are introducing our new virtual lab environment. Now, this is going to give our participants a more immersive hands-on experience where they get to tackle on real-world cybersecurity scenarios.
The lab environment has made the experience really smooth and easy. It removes a lot of the requirements around being useful. Yeah, just have the hands-on experience.
That was really easy to set up. We didn't have to go through the whole process of building machines, so it was good to have everything there with all the course material that was required sitting there. Really easy to access, so that was really good. That was really helpful.
I didn't have to set up anything. It was all ready to go, and all the parts, everything, you just press start and it's working straight away.
Bootcamps are a really good way to get in a condensed time environment, a good solid understanding around basic deployment of the product, but also all the various ways the product can be used to address some of the security concerns that a client might have, but also get them thinking about areas that they should be considering having security in as well.
I would definitely recommend it. Pretty positive, I would say. Yeah, I definitely got a lot out of it. The configuration of core, there were some new things I didn't know before that until the instructor showed me.
It's been interesting talking to other people and how they're actually using the product. Some of the guys here have already used it, they've been using it for quite some time, so I was actually able to talk to them and get some real world experience from the products as well.
Exciting updates are coming to the next OPSWAT Academy Bootcamp with enhanced training experiences and new learning opportunities. So if you missed out on this one, go online and check out the next upcoming events and locations at OPSWATacademy.com and join us at our upcoming sessions.